Next, we have, of course, the heartthrob of the community, Katrina Kaif.
Oh, it's really silent in here.
Woo!
So sorry to keep you all waiting. There was lots of luggage, coming late and how these things happen.
We have Guru Randava, Daisy Shah, and of course, we can't do...
We don't have Guru.
We have Prabhudeva.
Oh, Prabhudeva, the Michael Jackson of India. And of course, if we could please have the two people with which the show would not go on. Of course, Mr. Vijay Taneja.
Should be. So far, all of them have sold out shows. It will be quite a bummer if this one is not. And I'm sure you guys will.
We'll make every attempt to do it.
Sold out. Yay!
Thank you, Katrina. Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you. Okay, a few words from the famous Michael Jackson of India. You've seen him in the movies. You go and...
What to say? Yeah, welcome, Guru.
All right, give it up for girls. Okay, next we have, of course, the unforgettable face, the unforgettable heartthrob. What has she not?
Thank you, DC, Washington. This is like such an amazing, place to be. I have never been to DC before. Really looking forward to it. Really excited for the show tomorrow night. Even more excited to hear that it's been sold out. So thank you so much for all the support media that you've been giving us, and hope that all of you are there tomorrow as well. I hope you are. Are you guys there tomorrow for the show? Yeah. Awesome.
It's seriously sold out.
What will she do? She's a citizen of the world, honestly. So we're so excited to have here Miss Katrina Kaif.
Thank you so much. So I see, what's your name? Mandra. You're doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much. Really you are. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon. Not sure what time it is. Thank you so much for coming out here on such short notice. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, but we're super excited to be here in Washington and looking forward to our best show here. And it's been fantastic in every city so far, and we just can't wait for tomorrow. We've had a nice long rest, so we're all even more energized, and I hope to see all of you there tomorrow at the show. Should I do the honors, or have you have something specially prepared for her? No, she's got something specially prepared.
Yeah. How old is she again?
17! The next person needs no introduction. They were going to steal my thunder, but like I said before, Mera naam, Aap ki host, Aap ki dost, Dr. Mandra Nandini Mehra. We have somebody that I met 12 years ago. Salman Khanji, do you remember me?
I don't think so because
He doesn't remember me. It's
when
okay.
my birthday is.
Should I help you out? July 16th.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
My baby's birthday is July 15th, so you have a special place in my heart. Anyway, Salman
My baby's
Khanji.
birthday is July 16th. Not this baby.
So anyway, last time Vijay Uncle brought the famous, the Monsieur Salman Khan, the Sultan of Bollywood, as they say. It was about 12 years ago, but he's no stranger to DC. We are so excited. Salman Khanji.
Thank you. Sold out. Thank you. Thank you. Shukriya. Bus. Here after like 12 years now, and some faces have still remain the same. Some of the kids have grown up. They've grown up. For sure, have grown up. Yeah, it feels really good. I mean, we've had a really good one with these shows. We were all, actually, I was really scared coming back to controlling and performing it. But so far, all gone really, really well. Now we've got another 3 to go. And let's see how these 3 go. I mean, Baji just said that tomorrow's is almost sold out. Vijay is also, Kanika Sahab has confirmed that tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, so all that happens the last day. So, yeah, and then after that we got Toronto and we got New Jersey. And now just like completely place and date distributed right now. these 2 years ago, and then we'll try and come back in a year and a half.
So
all the mics are kept for you. They were kept for you. And
of course, this beauty in yellow needs no introduction either, but many of you have grown up, of course, watching her father, Shatrughan Sinha ji, who of course has graced Washington D.C. many times. We have Miss Daisy Shaw here. Race 3 was just her latest and greatest, but let's see, what else do we have to look forward to?
Great performances, actually, all of us. It's my first time here in DC, and I'm really looking forward to perform for all the wonderful audience, and again, yet another houseful show.
Unless you've been hiding under a teeny tiny rock somewhere, there's no way that you have missed the sensational voice. Really just, how did someone describe it? Punjab's heartthrob, perhaps? So let's hear if he has any secrets, any surprises up his sleeve that we can look forward to tomorrow.
सत श्री अकाल साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ टीम शो नमस्ते हेलो हम सबकी तरफ से और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस हियर और हमारी इतनी टेक केयर करने के लिए एयरपोर्ट से लेके होटल तक और इतना ज़्यादा स्पेशल फील करवाने के लिए आप सबका थैंक यू और वी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द शो आप सब लोग ज़रूर आओ और हमें सपोर्ट करो थैंक यू सो मच
International promoter, who I believe hails from Chicago. So we have Mr. Bhavesh Patel. Thank you.
So here we are in DC with the highly anticipated The Bang the Tour Reloaded. It's the final leg of our tour. It's been successful. We did 6 great shows, and we look forward to seeing the entire DC DMV area tomorrow for a Bollywood event that we've never seen before.
Thank you.
ताकि आप एक अरसे से बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री पर राज कर रहे हैं सुपरस्टार है माशाल्लाह तो सर हमारे पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के अंदर काफ़ी ज़्यादा मसाइल हैं सोसाइटी में माशरे में तो कुछ ऐसी मूवीज़ की भी ज़रूरत है जिससे अच्छा मैसेज जाए लोगों में तब्दीली के लिए क्या समझते हैं इस पर भी थोड़ा मजीद काम करने की ज़रूरत है बॉलीवुड में
जी मैं तो ये करते रहता हूँ एक पिक्चर आई थी बजरंगी भाईजान उसके बाद आई थी टाइगर एकता टाइगर उसके पहले आई थी एकता टाइगर उसके बाद आई टाइगर जिंदा उसके बाद एक और आई टाइगर
सर सेकेंडली सेकेंड क्वेश्चन प्लीज सर पाकिस्तान इंडिया के ताल्लुकात में जितना आप इंडिया में मकबूल है उतना आप पाकिस्तान में भी मकबूल हैं तो सर दोनों के कुछ आपको पता है पॉलिटिकल सियासी मामला जो भी चलते रहते हैं वो तो एक तरफ लेकिन सर
पॉलिटिकल चलते
रहते हैं सर पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट को इजाज़त नहीं मिलती इंडिया में काम करने की शर्त से आप थोड़ा सा कुछ बात करें
वो भी पॉलिटिकली होता है क्वालिफाइड है नहीं उसके ऊपर बात करने के लिए लेकिन आपके आतिफ तो गायब हैं हमारा एक बहुत ही बड़ा एक फेमस गाना हुआ था दिल दिया गलना उसके बाद सेल्फिश तो वो दोनों गाने उन्होंने गाए तो वो तो गाई है थैंक यू
आई एम ह्यूज फैन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बचपन से आपके बचपन से और मेरे बचपन से क्योंकि हम दोनों की उम्र ऑलमोस्ट सेम है और मेरा क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली ये है मेरा 14-year-old सन है तो मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ इस पीछे से वो कह रहा स्टॉप मॉम स्टॉप तो कौन सी एज में उन्हें एक्सरसाइज और फिटनेस की जरूरत पड़ती है कब वो शुरू करें
आई थिंक स्पोर्ट्स अभी से खेलना शुरू कर देना चाहिए अभी से मतलब कि करीबन 4-5 की उम्र से यू शुड स्टार्ट प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स उसके बाद जिम वगैरह 18-19 के बाद
18-19 के बाद
वर्कआउट But before that, I think gymnastics, any kind of sport, some kind of martial art, busy रहना चाहिए. Not in that PS4 or PS3 or 6 or playing outdoor sports.
Thank you. मेरी पंजाब तो गुरु रंधावा really proud of you man ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ proud feel ਕਰਵਾਇਆ really happy to see you here in Washington DC ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਜਾਣਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਦੋਂ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਮਾਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਵਗੈरह ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ
मैं सिर्फ अच्छा आंसर पंजाबी में या हिंदी में दूं
doesn't matter
मुझे 3 मिनट सिर्फ मुंह बंद करके हंसना आता है और ऐसे ऐसे करना आता है और कुछ नहीं आता और गाना गाना आता है मेरा एक्टिंग से कोई लेना देना नहीं है और जब हमारे पास इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हैं तो मैं उनके लिए एक गाना गा दूँ 3 मिनट का, मेरे लिए वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
सबसे पहले तो आप सबको वेलकम टू वाशिंगटन डीसी. आप लोगों को देखकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है. वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. और हमारी दुआ है इंशाल्लाह ताला कल का जो शो होगा वो सोल्ड आउट होगा और उसमें आप देखेंगे कि वाशिंगटन डीसी के लोग आपसे कितनी मोहब्बत करते हैं. सर आपने इतनी फिल्मों में काम किया है और आपकी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है बीइंग ह्यूमन टू, जिसके लिए आप कम्युनिटी के लिए भी काम कर रहे हैं. तो आप ये बताइए सर कि एक तो बीइंग ह्यूमन के बारे में थोड़ा सा हमें बताइए, क्योंकि वाशिंगटन डीसी के लोग जो हैं वो भी चाहते हैं कि आपके जो आप कर रहे हैं उसमें आपका हाथ बटा सके. हम भी उसके साथ मिल के आपको अगर कुछ चैरिटी इवेंट्स करने हैं, कुछ करने हैं तो उसके लिए जरूर करें. और दूसरा सर, आपकी इतनी सारी फिल्मों में जो बेस्ट डायलॉग आप समझते हैं आपने कभी बोले हैं फिल्म में, वो डायलॉग भी प्लीज सुना दें तो बड़ी आपकी दिल खुश हो जाएगा हम सबका. तालियां बजाइए जी.
We have a special request here.
जहाँ तक कि बीइंग ह्यूमन का वास्ता है, वो हमारे पास अभी तक के वो फॉरेन रेमिटेंस आया नहीं है और हम बाहर नहीं कुछ कर सकते, सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन अब जाके लॉन्च करेंगे बीइंग ह्यूमन क्लोथिंग, तो लॉन्च कर ही रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो वो हो जाएगा बहुत जल्दी. सो आई थिंक कनाडा, इंग्लैंड, अमेरिका के अंदर आपको बीइंग ह्यूमन के कपड़े तो मिलेंगे.
डायलॉग
मेरे डायलॉग बहुत लंबे लंबे हैं, बहुत मीनिंगफुल है.
सर वो दबंग वाले बता रहे हैं, छेद वाला था.
हाँ सर, एक डायलॉग प्यार से दे रहे हैं, रख लो, वरना थप्पड़ मार के भी दे सकते हैं.
प्यार से.
For entertainment as well. I'd like to present certificates of recognition to a few people, starting with Mr. Vijay Taneja for 25 years of serving the Washington, D.C. community through entertainment. Also would like to present one to Salman Khan as the Global Peace Ambassador. Also to Sahil Khan for his community service and outreach, and Bhavesh Patel also for community service and outreach, and Katrina Kaif, and I love this one, for being a fashion icon. Wow. So I'd like to call up the Vice President of Capital Post, Mansoor Qureshi, and Seher Qureshi, and also Rima Taneja to present that dad.
All right, Attorney Rima Taneja, the mic is yours.
Salman sir, वापस पहने प्लीज.
You have your humanitarian, your charity work. How do you do it all and still manage to get sleep at night?
I really don't know how to do this. Seriously. And I don't get sleep in the nights. I get sleep sometime from 4:30 in the morning till about 6:37 in the morning. I go back to work. So I'm just kind of used to this. But just the fact that you see so many people smiling, so many people want to watch your movies, that it just makes you, keep working harder and harder on yourself. And that's what I do. So some people who don't quite like me, I change that into quite liking me, and for the people who do like me, I want them to like me even more than they like me in the earlier film.
I sometimes will consult my mom, my sisters, those kinds of things. That leads me to a question for the beautiful Katrina Kaif. So of course, she's fashion icon, beauty icon, movies, citizen of the world. Talk to me just a little bit, talk to us just for a little minute here. It's just dil ki baat hai, just between you and me and maybe a couple million people in the Washington metro area. How do you define love? Pyar, ishq, muhabbat? Just a tiny question, it's not heavy or anything.
Why are they getting the easy ones? Why are they getting the easy ones? I don't know. I think I'm still trying to figure that out. But one thing I can say for sure is You know, when you're on stage and at the end of your performance and
Dodging
everyone
that
is.
question.
No, I'm really not. It's one kind of love, and you feel that love from the audience. That's one of the best things you can feel in your life. You know, when you see that many people who have come, who have a smile on their face, who've come to see you, and who are giving you that love and that respect by showing up and supporting you. It's an amazing feeling, and that moment, you know, at the end where everyone's clapping and you have that connection for those few moments. For me, that is one type of love. There are other types of love, but we'll talk about that. Just me and you later.
कोरियोग्राफी आपके डांस की प्रभुदेवा सर ने की कि आपने उनके की? Did you choreograph? You did? Okay.
Sonakshi distracting me. सवाल किसके लिए? मेरे लिए?
I can ask again, sir. Easy. On this concert, आपके डांसेस प्रभुदेवा सर ने कोरियोग्राफ किए कि आपने उनके किए?
प्रभु के संजय रेड्डी और प्रभु ने खुद ने संजय शेट्टी वो और प्रभु ने खुद ने किए हैं. मेरे अभी भी समझ में आ नहीं रहा है कि मुदस्सर ने किए या मैं कर रहा हूँ. शो के बाद जब पता चलेगा कि जो हम देखेंगे हमारे आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर क्या करके दिखाया था, मैंने क्या किया, फिर उसके बाद हम आपको बताएंगे कि किसने क्या किया. क्योंकि मेरे स्टेप्स हर शो के अंदर चेंज हो जा रहे हैं. And I think I'm doing the same thing, but every time it looks different.
हमारे रेडियो से है. It's one person wanting to know which is your favorite Bollywood song, retro song. आपका जो कोई पसंदीदा गाना हो पुराना. और क्या आप गाएंगे?
दूर कहीं जब दिन ढल जाए, रानी की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए.
You can sing.
The album's coming out soon. Look for it. Double platinum very soon. Okay, thank you so much, Bali 102.9 FM. Next we have Bollywood Hungama.
Hi, sir. So I have a couple of questions. First is that what has been the biggest takeaway of this concert tour for you? And the second question is, I think, which a lot of people have been asking, that you have this segment in the later part of it when you are dancing with all four of them, Katrina, Jacqueline, Daisy, and Sonakshi. So how do you switch from one to another?
Dance is the best of them.
No, I'm not saying that. How do you switch from one to another in terms of, because all of them, they have different dancing styles, sir. Thank you.
That's a difficult question. How do you switch between dancing styles?
जो सवाल वापस से समझा तो क्या है? क्या आपने?
So, you have three segments.
Jackie does ballet, Katrina does hip hop, I do bhangra.
Beautiful, meaningful question. That's called talent.
And sir, what has been the biggest takeaway of this concert tour for you? What has been the biggest takeaway of this concert? What has been the biggest takeaway of this concert tour for you, sir?
The question was, what was the biggest takeaway of this concert tour so far?
Are we doing takeaways? Huh? No, so I think so far the response that we've got is that it has been one of the best shows that the fans here in the US have watched. And so far, like we've already said, that we've sold out everywhere. And everyone has had a blast. They've loved the concert. I mean, you can see it on social media everywhere that there's not one negative comment on these shows.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Hello and welcome to all of you. My question, I guess the first one is for Sangram, because he's back after 12 long years. I want to know what has changed in this time in terms of the concert, in terms of your performance, maybe the audience?
Mandira? Yes.
So I don't think anything has changed. I just think that coming here after 12 years, it was a very nice break, and just the only one thing that I see a huge difference is in production now. Earlier our shows used to be kind of tacky and stuff like that. Today we are, concentrating more on the stage and the lights and the LEDs and the introductions and the performances. First used to take the performances like really, theek hai, chalta hai. But now we are really, really working really hard on just about every detail of the show. So from costumes to the songs, to the choreography, to the lights, the whole setup, the selection of the dancers, Guru singing. So everything is just, we're giving it our best so that the people who, buying expensive tickets and, coming and spending 3.5, 4 hours with us and watching the concert, they shouldn't feel like, kya bakwas hai. They shouldn't feel, okay, it was a waste of money. In fact, they should want to come and see the show once again. They should be really, really happy, and they should have like this one big family outing together. That's what our concentration is this time and always will be.
How about your performance from rock star to the bunk?
Much better, much better. Much better.
Plus now you have more people to love you.
They're listening, they're talking,
Well, my question is to them. My question is to them. I wanted to know.
telling them which show Rockstar was.
Rockstar was 2006, fabulous show. Strong years ago. By Vijay Taneja, the best promoter. Well, my next question is for the female artists here. I want you to know, can you share something with our readers about your chemistry during this tour? In your rapport, anything?
They hate each other.
I've worked with Daisy in a film. We just did a film, Race 3 together. I did one show with Sonakshi in London, 2 shows actually, last year in England. So we kind of got to know each other then. Actually had an amazing time. I didn't know her at all before that. This is the first time I'm traveling, working with Katrina, and I have to say that this entire tour, this entire journey has been so amazing. I think that one of the most amazing things that have happened and come out of this tour is the fact that all of us have been able to bond so well. And it's just new friendships. It's been a lot of fun actually. It's been really amazing, and I think that's been one of the coolest things that I've taken out of this tour. It's been amazing.
Well, since Jackie said such lovely things, I'm going to say a complaint. I have a complaint. They will not. They keep running away from me with my gym plans. I keep on making gym plans every day. Tomorrow we're going to go do this and we're going to go do that, and they keep running away from me. Only today.
Lunch, dinner, gym.
Only today, Sonakshi finally came in the morning.
I was late today because I couldn't move after working out with Katrina and Reza. Yeah.
But other than that, they've all been fantastic, and it's really been a lot of fun, to be honest. It's been wonderful, and I think everyone is doing such a fantastic job. And also, it's not exactly your question, but I just want to add that JA Events have put on such an amazing show and given us so much support and everything we all wanted in our acts, from our entries to all the technical and production support, and I think they've just done a really fantastic job.
I've had a great time with these ladies. I've not spent that much time with them before at all. Actually, I've not been in a film with either of them, or the only time we've interacted is during this tour. And I'm so glad that I got to know such wonderful ladies, and we've all had such a good time. We're always joking around with each other, having fun, pulling each other's legs. Jackie is constantly trying to sabotage my costumes backstage. We're hanging out in each other's locker rooms, just chilling. So it's been more fun, than anything else. So yeah, amazing. Nice to know you ladies.
Well, in my case, I would say the longest association that I've had is with Katrina, and I've loved her since day one. Jackie, I've done a film with her right now, so and she is full of positive energy that I love about her. And Sona is again a girl who has a lot of fun times. So it's been really great working with them.
Stuff about these two girls over here pulling each other's hair out. No, but none of that is happening. We all get along very, very well.
No, that's not true. We are pulling each other's hair every day. Just as soon as you walk out that door, I'm just gonna pull her hair. But in case you didn't, don't think some people got what Daisy was talking about. It was the first race. We worked together in the first race.
Yes, I was assisting. I was an assistant choreographer earlier, and I worked with her. Oh, that's it.
So, if anybody follows these lovely ladies on Instagram, Twitter, they speak the truth. I mean, your social media shows the backstage fun and, the joking around that they do. So that was
Charm City Productions. We warmly welcome you to media capital of the world. My first question for Katrina Kaif and Salman Khan. आपने बहुत सी माजी में सुपरस्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, तो आपकी ये जो केमिस्ट्री है राइट नाउ आप और कैटरीना कैफ ये सबसे ज्यादा पसंद की गई है सो फार राइट नाउ. Actually, I don't watch so many movies. I don't watch. I saw your movie मैंने प्यार किया. When I saw that movie, I predicted that this guy, this slim guy, he's going to be a superstar from India. I predicted.
Because of his prediction,
पाकिस्तान में आपसे सब लोग बहुत प्यार करते हैं. पाकिस्तान and India are super power, global powers. Working together, they can achieve so much in every field: cricket and media, showbiz, singing. They can achieve so much. Our budget in Pakistan, our budget is not that huge because our brother country India is huge, so budget is. So if we offer you a movie in Nollywood, will you? Because we can't afford this much. So will you go?
It's a powerful question. We're talking about political powers here. So I think the question was, will you be willing to do a movie in Lollywood? Lahore.
तो हमारी पिक्चर अपनी रिलीज होती ही है ना, एक ही बात है.
Well spoken. Second question.
And all the artists are great, and I appreciate everybody. We love everybody here on the stage. And my second question is for Guru Randhawa. Your song Lahore is a global superstar. I mean, it's one of the biggest hits ever so far. Why did you select Lahore? Lahore Diya. Why Lahore Diya? Why not London Diya or Mumbai Diya or Delhi Diya? Why just Lahore Diya?
Or Washington DC, or Uganda.
तो उसमें लाहौर का भी बोला है, दिल्ली का भी जिक्र है, पंजाब का भी जिक्र है, लंदन का भी जिक्र है. मेरा जो गांव है वो पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर से 4 किलोमीटर के इस तरफ इंडिया में. सो वो हमारा कनेक्शन पहले से वो पीटीवी देखना, वो डीडी नेशनल 2 चैनल आते थे तब, तो वहाँ से पाकिस्तान आर्टिस्ट को भी सुनना, अपने आर्टिस्ट को भी सुनना, और सुनते सुनते मेरे को कभी यही नहीं पता चला कि ये अलग कंट्रीज हैं. तो जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था सर को कि कैसे अच्छा गाना या अच्छी मूवी से दोनों देश क्लोज आ सकते हैं, सो आई थिंक मैंने कोशिश करी कि लाहौर गाना बनाया जाए जिसमें प्यार दिखाया जाए दोनों कंट्री को लेके, और वो बहुत हद तक सक्सेसफुल हुआ. वहाँ के लोग भी गाना सुन रहे हैं और इंडिया के लोग भी उतने गाना सुन रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक लाहौर दिया हो या वो बांग्लादेश की हो, वो एक ही चीज़ है. वो लड़की तो लड़की है ना, लड़की तो एक ही चीज़ है. लाहौर ने कमाल दिखाया क्योंकि वो मुंह पे चढ़ने वाला वर्ड था, वो अच्छा लग रहा था गाने के साथ, जस्टिफाइड था वो वर्ड, तो इसलिए फिर लाहौर.
Lahore is a great. We welcome you to Lahore.
Thank you.
It's the most beautiful city on the planet.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
मैं भी यहाँ पे एक टीवी शो करता हूँ, वाशिंगटन नाइट शो विद आसिफ सिद्दीकी. मैं आप सब लोगों से एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने कभी एक दिन ऐसा सोचा कि आज कुछ नहीं करना, बस आज ना मेकअप करना है
आज ही सोचा था और ये प्रेस
नहीं, ये मैं आपको कि कभी आपने ऐसा वो फील किया कि आज जो है काम नहीं करना, क्योंकि आप लोगों के काम जो है वो 24 आवर्स होते हैं, तो ये इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करना, हम 1 घंटे का प्रोग्राम करके हमारे दिमाग की दही बन जाती है। आप लोग जो इतना काम करते हैं, कभी आप लोगों ने अपने लिए कोई टाइम निकाला है? पहला
ये जो टाइम है जो हम निकाल रहे हैं ये अपने लिए ही निकाल रहे हैं।
ये सब जो टाइम निकालते हैं हम, और कम सोना और ज़्यादा मेहनत करना वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, वो हम अपने लिए ही करते हैं। आप सब अपने हैं और आप लोग अपनी पिक्चर देखते हैं, तो ये सब हम अपने लिए ही कर रहे हैं।
मैं प्रमोटर्स के लिए करूँगा, क्योंकि बगैर प्रमोटर्स के आप लोग जो हैं वो दूसरे मुल्कों में नहीं देखे जा सकते। तो सबसे पहले मैं विजय साहब और फिर आपसे भी पूछूंगा कि आप लोगों को ये सब आइडियाज़ कहाँ से आते हैं?
ये आप लोग आइडियाज देते हैं, कहते हैं इसको लाओ उसको लाओ, फिर वहीं से आइडियाज मिलते हैं, फिर आगे चलते हैं जब ऑडियंस की डिमांड है।
Great answer. He's saying he basically will do what the public is demanding, what your heart request is. So the question was for the promoters.
क्वेश्चन इसके आप लोगों को ये आइडियाज कैसे आते हैं कि इस ग्रुप को बनाओ, उसके साथ ये हो, तो जैसे कैटरीना कैफ है, सलमान खान है और आपकी टीम है, तो ये एक धमाका करती है, आपके साथ अट्रैक्ट करती है पब्लिक को, पब्लिक से वो 15,000 की जमा होती है और हजारों की तादाद में आती है, तो ये आइडियाज कैसे जहन करते हैं?
So ये टूर 1.5-2 साल पहले बनी हुई थी, द बैंक द टूर रीलोडेड। शुरू हुआ हांगकांग, सिंगापुर, न्यूजीलैंड, ऑकलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, लंदन, एंड वहाँ इतना सक्सेस हुआ, उसके बाद वी ऑल डिसाइडेड दैट US कनाडा ये टूर होनी चाहिए, एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट बैंगिंग पैकेज यू कैन एवर पुट टुगेदर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई नेम है द बैंक द टूर।
My question to you is, first of all, congratulations. You guys have done a great job since past almost 1 month, and I can see the freshness on your face still. I mean, you guys are magical. My question to you is, what is your message for the show and Washington DC people that's coming tonight? And second of all, Salmanji, you have worked with all these 4 great, beautiful ladies sitting around you. If you need to choose one out of all these 4, which one will you choose and why?
No comment.
No, I was going to answer your first question. Because you asked me the second one, and I'm not going to answer the first one. Dude, are you serious?
Honestly.
I'd rather work with Vijay Taneja.
The king has spoken. So, thank you so much to all the media that is here today. Thank you for the stars. As you know, mera naam hai Dr. Mandra Nandini Mehra. I am host Apiki Dost. And this concludes the media questions for today. Thank you so much for coming. If you need tickets, even though it's sold out, I have a few left in my pocket. So please come talk to me if you still need tickets. Okay? The Bond Tour is about feminism.